Right, welcome to the second part of our course where we're going to be looking at building our Flappy Bird game. So if you've been through part one, you've learned about a lot of the background. You have learned about the various aspects of Scratch. Just an introductory level, we've looked at various aspects like motion and sound and pen and control and the various commands that you can use. As you can see down here, this is our design area, and this is where we see our game getting played. But just to give you a little bit of a taste, Josh is going to show you what your final product is going to look like.
Okay, so after this course, this is what you will have made. It's very similar to Flappy Bird, as you can see. So when we start, we've got our little birdie, and you can see how you just got to dodge a post and then you die, and it gives you your score, your high score,
and your current score as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can see it's going to be quite a fun little game. It looks like you're actually flying, like the background's moving as the little bird flies on. And on the right-hand side here, you're going to have your code. Don't be deceived by what you see there. You'll discover in the course that code is associated with each of the various sprites we have here. So there's code for all of those things. So we're going to show you how to do all of that. So this is the game that you're going to be building. Very exciting game. You're going to build your own Flappy Bird, and let's see if you can get a high score of greater than 34.